we go. Fresh goodies. Got a lot of Auto World on here. We got that one. Oh man. Got the Chase. Nice. Let's see what other what Auto World do they have? They got this van. You got the Supra, super clean. Oh, there we go. Some Chevy lovers right there. It's a beautiful truck. I'm trying to get to focus. Dark tangerine metallic. Ooh, nice Corvette. You got the Lincoln, another van, another Supra, truck, Corvette. Yeah, looks like they got a bunch of these out here, but don't want or need any of these. This Nova, man, this 67 is beautiful. Yeah, that is nice. Then of course the Dodge Charger is nice too, but we'll leave that. Here's the Pontiac. It's a 68 400. Nice. Of course, I'm gonna leave this one. Man, that is sweet. I'll leave that for another Mustang collector that's probably out here. Let's see what else do they have down here. I got that one. Don't need that one. Looks like somebody dropped a fresh M2s. Don't need any of these. Gotta keep everything nice and clean. Well, there we go, guys. We have a whole bunch of these. Don't need them because I already picked up the ones I wanted. Lamborghini. You got the Lancia. I actually have a whole bunch of the Skyline boxes, which I'm surprised. Don't need them either. Definitely don't need them. You got some Mach 1s up there, but I have those. Let's see what's down here. Oh, look at that Ford. Ooh, that's a Chase. That is a Chase. There's the regular one. Regular one right there. Chase right here. Dude, two freaking M2 Chases, man. Oh, that is nice. Alright, let's go ahead and put these together. Yep. Look at that, guys. You got the main line and the Chase. Like I always say, Chase has the mirror base. The other one has the diamond plate and of course the black accents. Alright. M2 Chase. Another M2 Chase. And then these. Pick this up for Colin because he needs them. Great Sunday hunt for sure. They also have a whole bunch of Fast and Furious. Apparently there's a Camaro variation, but I don't see it. Supposedly it's black grill, but that is what they have, guys. Man, I haven't had a drop like that in a while. They must have just put those out. They tried to hide these over here. You got the Treno, the Evo, Cyclone, another Treno, and then the Mercedes. So full set. Got a set, leaving a set. Man, that is awesome. All right, here we go. New drag race setup, but it is Friday, and of course, our latest finds over the past week and a half. I don't know, I kind of lose track of time, but of course, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you all had a great week so far. If you're new, I definitely appreciate you clicking on this video. But today we are going to be going over our latest finds, and I tend to be doing that a lot lately. We might have some peg hunting at the beginning, who knows, but here we go, guys. We did find some Chase pieces I am super excited to add to the collection, and they might be in this bag. So we'll just go ahead and start off with this one. So here we go, guys. New Hot Wheels Boulevard series, and this is the 77 Holden Tirana A9X.
Such an awesome freaking car right here. Now, I picked one of these up for Colin. He needed this one as well as the Lancer Evolution, which is a gorgeous casting. So here we go, man. Number 77. Check out the details. You got the Hot Wheels 1977 front plate. Of course, everything on these castings is really, really nicely done. So coming around the back, you have the huge SS badges. Talk about a super cool casting. New for 2023, and I gotta say, this Boulevard series is pretty sweet. And then here is the Evo I picked up for him in red. Absolutely love the white 10 spokes on there. And of course, this generation of the Lancer Evolution, the Evo 6, is a sweet one. So you got the Evo Lancer for the license plate. Super unique and cool. But there we go, man. Number 79. And then next up, this one is for my collection. Gotta pick myself up one of these, only because we don't see that many Holdens come out from Hot Wheels. And this is just, I don't know, maybe this is the first one. You guys let me know down in the comments, but here is one for my collection. And then of course we had to pick up the 91 Cyclone, guys. This is an awesome color scheme. You got that really nice light turquoise color with the white. And of course, those wheels on there look really, really good. So I do have a lot of Cyclone variations from Hot Wheels, including the premiums. And this was just another one. And I think this is probably my favorite one. There was the red one that came out of the Power Strip series, which I do absolutely love just because it's red. But this one, very clean, very clean. That's number 80. And then, of course, the last one I picked up was the Mercedes, the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. And I love how you have the front canards right there on the front in carbon fiber. Just an absolute beast of a machine right here, man. The pearlescent yellow. And of course, you have the AMG license plate on the back. But those 5 spokes really complement the car and the body lines. And this is number 76. The only one I did leave on the peg was the Toyota AE86 because, yeah, I just left it on there for someone else. So, grabbed these, and then, of course, I did pick myself up the Evo only because, why not, man? This thing is just an awesome casting. Love the setup on this one, but yeah, here we go. This is for my collection. And then these two are for Colin, and I could set that aside for him. This one right here is the gem piece, and I was stoked to find this on pegs, guys. Check this out. 750 piece chase of the 70 Boss 302 in silver metallic. They did have the main line on there. It's just black and silver. But man, oh man, when I seen the gold trim and the wheels, I was excited, especially when it comes to finding a chase Mustang. And M2 has definitely been releasing some awesome Stangs this past year. I mean, you got the Earl's Performance, you got the Bear Brakes, you have the Mallory, you had a bunch of other ones come out, and I think they're over here. But man, I'm glad I found this one. There were so many other people I seen on social media finding this exact same one, and I'm glad I was one of them. So there we go, guys. New Mustang chase for the collection. And then while we were there, we did stumble across the new neon speeders. And I gotta say, I did look at the R35 very, very hard. Only found one variation. And here we go. The back bumper is the variation. You have a smooth bumper, and then you have the vented one. And it's been like that on a lot of R35 since I don't know how long. But definitely keep your eyes out when you see the neon speeders. Look for both variations of the R35 with the bumper change. You have the nice details front and rear, and these wheels, I don't know what they're called yet, but I will definitely put them on the screen. But very nice. Very, very nice. Now, should this be $4? Because I think they were like $350 or $360 something. No, I definitely do not, but I really, really wanted a selected few from this series. So definitely a cool neon livery on this one. And then we picked up this one, the 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. Bronze wheels up front and the yellow in the rear, tying in the nice orange and yellow livery. And of course you got the 9 for the EK9. Super cool, man. Next one we picked up was the Ford Focus RS in this really cool black, lime green, and pink. I think my wife would really like this because those are her favorite colors together. But yeah, I do have a huge collection of Ford Focuses as well. I guess like any other thing I have a large collection of this as well. So I only buy into the ones I have a large quantity of. So beautiful Ford Focus. Last one I picked up was the SRT Viper GTSR in black. You got the PR5s in the rear and these newer wheels up front. You got the pink and blue for the neon colors. Very, very cool casting. And again, each one of these I collect, and I have a lot of variations of each, so that's why I picked up those and left the rest. These right here, guys, super stoked to find these. And this is the Matchbox Muscle Series. And of course, you have the 65 Mustang GT Fastback in this white enamel. Now, I don't know if that is a reddish orange stripe, but they kind of look pinkish orange. I don't know. It's kind of a weird color setup. But you got a red bumper, black base for the red interior. Now, the casting, I think, looks a little off. And we'll see if I have another 65 from Matchbox and compare the two in case they change their tooling. There you go, 65. Let's see, I guess they look the same. I guess it's just the bumper setup that really just changes the look of it. I don't know. But I'm really surprised they did not add details front or rear like they typically do on a lot. So 2 Mustangs out of the series. You got the 2019, the 2020 Corvette C8, the Dodge Charger. You got the Camaro SS396, the 65 GT, and the 70 Plymouth Cuda. Now, I'm glad I got this one because that's another Mustang to the collection, along with this beauty. Check this out, man. Just like King Nuts S550, you have the 2019 Mustang Coupe with the black wheels. And they actually put the headlights on here and the tail lights. So thank God for that. But yeah, King Nut no longer has this Mustang, guys. Oh, sad, sad text message when he sent that. But of course, the Camry he picked up is very, very clean. And it is the TRD edition. So he didn't go cheap on it. But pearl white is the color for this S550. 2 Mustangs out of this set, and I'm glad I was able to pick those up. And then the last one is this beautiful orange Corvette, the 2020 C8 with the nice black chrome wheels to tie in everything. Very clean, fully detailed front and rear, even the grille. So there we go. Another awesome series from Matchbox. And last one right here, guys, another chase piece from M2, the large scale bootlegger. And look at this gorgeous 56 F100, man. Look at that. Love the satin finish, the ghosted Lunati bootlegger deco on there. And of course, you got the blue chrome for the wheels with the red line. Now, I showed a picture. You can see the main line versus this one. You have the mirror base and of course, a complete different setup. This is just a gorgeous pickup, man. Look at that. 2 chases in one day. This one and the M2 Boss 302. And I was super, super excited to find those together. It was just a great morning. And there we go. This is what we picked up. Awesome stuff right here. Like I said, we got the 2 Boulevards for Colin. And then a set for myself minus the AE86. Then we got the new Matchbox release from their muscle lineup. You got the 2 Mustangs, the Corvette, the Chase M2, the Neon Speeders, of course, the 750-piece chase of the 56 Ford. Gosh, that thing is nice. Other than that, guys, that is all we have for this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of the series was your favorite. Was it the Neon Speeders? Do you think that's a fair price? Because I don't think $4 for a mainline casting is really worth it. But if you want it, you want it. And of course, Matchbox's muscle car series is awesome. The new Boulevard series is phenomenal. I think they picked some really good castings in there. We will go ahead and hang this on the wall where we made some room. So let's see, where do we want to put this one? Put it right here. There we go. Easy as that. That is why I love pegboard, guys, because you can just move these around. I just use little screws, then you just hang them up on the pegs and it keeps them flat. So there we go. That is all we got. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.